Hello Karbi Anglong, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kichengsi kado kawe Karbi Anglong ora do an phanta nidihin benning kang sam kardom na bajirilo kardom. Non nangeleji Phaikuni achiklo niphai kechok lapen kechok se arni Karbi Anglong difu taralang sualong Karbi Anglong de Katalon pado ponji. Lasi Labangso Katalon along penang an aluhisar po mate aluhisar piatum phanta kachopha pado pon. Labangso Katalon along Arunachal singer Rito Riba Alamthe phanta chopha pon. Lasi Labangso Katalon along nangki dunje phan lunse po Rito Riba kupisika ningje ponikma ilitum lang ponik sinan.
Hello and Karbi Anglong, this is Rito Riba here, and I'm making this video to let you guys know that I'll be performing live on 17th of November at Dipu, Labangso, on the occasion of Karbi Anglong Day celebration. And also I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ranganji for inviting me to witness the vibrant and
lapen ke Bollywood lamar jana long ciparjan nun thek abang phu Sakti Kapoor alang li kopisi kaning je poningma lang ponik sina.
Hello, Kadom to my lovely people of Karbi Anglong. I'm Shakti Kapoor, aapka Shakti Kapoor. I am coming for Karbi Anglong Day celebration with all of you together on the 17th of November. It'll be fun, maza aayega. And I want to thank the Honorable Chief Executive Member, Dr. Tuliramji, for inviting me for such a vibrant, colorful culture. And the people of Karbi Anglong will have fun, will witness such a colorful event. We'll all have fun. It'll be a lovely day.
Labangso Katalon along pinang an arong ache doji asili tum kado ka beta Labangso Katalon along chitong dun iglo na video lang misen pulote video pan like sipira video pan share pon ira lapuson tak thaka video kelang polong wer je pan nili tum channel pan kang hon pen subscribe pon bubuji ning jitelo tangte pinia video ke panik belo kado